There are ways, there are certain lines you can use to actually improve your status. There are several points I really want you to remember. First one is, yes, girls go for badasses, and you can actually gain this look by a simple sentence. Just within conversation, say something like, oh yeah, I'm the guy your mother warned you about. Something like that. This simple sentence is gonna just plant the seed of attraction in her, because you're gonna immediately look like something forbidden, and that's just what attracts girls. Also, another thing you can do is reverse roles. Normally when a guy is hitting too much on a girl, she's gonna start be like, oh, whoa, I'm not that kind of girl, okay? You will not get into my panties, or something like that. But if a guy says that, it immediately sounds funny, and it's just, you sound like a casual, open-minded guy. So you can actually do the same. If she touches you, you can be like, oh, no touching the merchandise, okay? I'm not that kind of guy. You will not get me that easily. And it's gonna be an icebreaker. It's gonna sound funny, the girl's gonna laugh, and you have, again, a great point of a conversation. Every time she laughs, that's a great sign. So just keep doing that, keep reversing the roles. Another thing you can do is put her in a position where she has to try. You can, again, just casually mention like, oh, I'm not sure if you're cool enough to actually hang out with me. Something like that. The girl's gonna be crazy, like, what? I'm not cool enough? Like, I'm the hottest chick here, and who do you think you are? But she's not gonna be mad. She's gonna be actually challenged, and that's what you want. Another thing how to challenge a girl is actually putting her in a friend zone, because mostly we are the ones that are putting guys in a friend zone. And once you do it to a girl, she starts actually being weirdly attracted to you even more, because we hate it. It immediately challenges us to prove you that we are not friend type. And if you're gonna say something, oh wow, you're so cute, you remind me of my little sister, or oh my god, we could be great friends. We have so many things in common, you will be a great friend of mine. The girl's gonna go crazy. No, but we don't want to be friends of a hot guy. Of course not. So she's gonna actually start hitting on you, and that's what she wants. As I told you before, she's gonna have to prove herself to you, not the other way around. Also, a great thing to have is a wing girl. Wing girl can always help you. For example, I am a very good wing girl, and I have, of course, a story for you. This one time I was with my friends in a bar, and there was these beautiful girls. Everyone was hitting on them. My friend really wanted the girls. He wanted in particular the blonde one. So we went there. He started talking to the brunette. They looked a little annoyed, but then I came in and I was like, oh, I see you've met my brother. And I started talking to the blondie. And I was just so talking nicely about the brunette. I was all the time saying things like, oh my god, your friend is really beautiful. I no wonder my brother is like after her. Normally he doesn't do that like at all, because he's working all the time and traveling all the time. So he really does not go for a girl on parties, but he seems like he's really into your friend. Wow. And I would just like talk very nicely about my brother, who of course he's not. But the blondie that he actually wanted, she would start like be jealous of the friend, because my brother sounds so amazing and he's after the brunette. So they actually starting to try to win him over, and that way he mostly got both of them. Yeah. So having a wing girl is a very good thing actually. Try to persuade some female friend of yours to go partying with you in a group, and give it a try. It never hurts to have a girl that's gonna actually understand girls and help you with this.